Looking for a dependable dumpster rental in Central New Hampshire? Your search ends here. Introducing Dump It Dumpster Rentals, your trusted partner for all your waste disposal needs. We take pride in providing top-notch dumpster rental services tailored to your requirements. Committing to delivering convenient and affordable solutions, we make your cleanup and renovation projects a breeze. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to suit your project, whether a home cleanout, construction job, or anything in between. We understand that every project is unique, so we provide various sizes, ensuring you only pay for the space you need. At Dump It Dumpster Rentals, we prioritize your convenience. Our reliable team ensures prompt delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without unnecessary delays. But what truly sets us apart is our commitment to the environment. We don't just provide dumpsters, we promote responsible waste management. Our eco-friendly disposal methods and recycling initiatives ensure your waste is handled sustainably. We believe in dumping it responsibly. Visit our website at www.dumpitdumpsterrentals.com for more information and to explore our range of services. Or, call us at 603-366-1511. Let us make your cleanup, renovation, or construction project smoother and more sustainable. Choose Dump It Dumpster Rentals, your partner for dependable and eco-conscious dumpster rental in Central New Hampshire.